If you love pasta, but you hate gaining weight, you have to try these Shirataki noodles. They're made from konjac powder. Konjac is a root vegetable native to Southeast Asia, and it has a ton of health benefits. Reduces blood sugar, it's full of fiber, it's low in calories, it'll lower your cholesterol, helps with your digestion, and will aid in weight loss. So replace your pasta with these konjac noodles, and they taste delicious. It just comes in this liquid that tastes not so good, it smells bad. Just give the noodles a good rinse, get rid of all that liquid, and you'll be fine. Some people like the liquid, I do not. What I like to do is take some hot water, soak the noodles in that hot water, let it sit for a few minutes. The taste from that liquid will be gone. Per package, these noodles are only 5 calories and 2 grams of carbs, so much better than pasta, and it will fill you up because of the fiber. And they're just so versatile. You can do anything with these noodles. I'm going to take some tofu today, cut that up. You could use grilled chicken breast, beef, anything you like. These noodles are like a sponge for flavor. But today I got tofu. So after you cut up the tofu, you want to dry it off really well. Grab a paper towel, get off any excess moisture. This way when we cook it in the pan, it doesn't stick and become a big mess. Grab a pan, hit it with some neutral tasting oil, and get it smoking hot. When I say smoking hot, literally until you see smoke. Add in your tofu, make sure it doesn't stick, and you just want to get some good caramelization on that. Add a little bit of salt, and you want to get good browning on it because tofu has no flavor. It literally tastes like a shoe. So that caramelization is where all the flavor is going to go to. So leave it alone, let it brown. I'm going to make a hot and spicy sauce that the tofu is going to soak up all that flavor. I'll show you that in just a second. But this tofu is almost done and starting to brown. We can start to flip it here. And that's what we're looking for, a nice golden brown. Flip it over, cook it on the other side for just a couple of minutes, then we'll remove this from the pan, put it on a plate, and set it aside while we make this sauce. So grab a bowl, and this is quickly becoming one of my favorite ingredients, gochujang, Korean chili paste. I don't like to have my mouth set on fire with something hot, so this is a good balance of flavor and heat. 2 teaspoons of the gochujang. If you want it hotter, add a little more. Then I'm going to take mirin, which is a sweet Japanese cooking wine. 3 teaspoons of mirin with the gochujang. Rice vinegar. 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. Add some good acidity. Make sure you get it in the bowl, not all over the table. Touch of sesame oil. Don't go crazy with the sesame oil. It is a bit strong. Pinch of salt. And a few cracks of pepper. The gochujang you can get in any specialty Asian store, or you can get it on Amazon. And with this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water just to add some volume, and this sauce will be good to go. We'll set that aside and we can go ahead and finish this dish. These noodles cook really quick. You just have to heat them through. Everything comes together quickly. That's the beauty of these noodles. You don't have to bring a big pot of water to a boil like you do with pasta. You have to boil it for 12 minutes. Everything comes together quick. So go back to the pan, neutral tasting oil, just a couple of teaspoons, and then I'm going to add 3 cloves of minced garlic, as well as some grated ginger. I really like the ginger. Some people don't like it, it's too strong. You can leave it out or just add a little less. Cook that until it's fragrant and cooked through. Make sure you don't burn it. Once the garlic and ginger is fragrant, add our soaked shirataki noodles into the pan. Let the oil soak into the noodles. Let the garlic and ginger infuse into the noodles, and then bring in the sauce. Add that to the pan and give everything a good toss. This way the noodles are completely coated with the sauce, and the sauce will reduce a bit. This way the flavor intensifies, all the moisture gets cooked out. Bring back that tofu, add it into the pan. This way the tofu could soak up all that flavor, and just give everything a good toss. Once all the ingredients are incorporated together, at this point you could add green onions. I'm not, because I don't have any. You could add some sesame seeds, a touch of sesame oil to finish the dish. But what I like to do is add it all to a bowl and then take a nice, perfectly cooked fried egg right on top of the dish. This way you cut into that yolk and it goes into the pasta, and the tofu adds a nice richness and flavor to the dish. It's spicy, salty, a touch sweet, all those umami flavors with virtually no carbs, no calories. Try these shirataki noodles. Guarantee you'll love it.